guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video, we are going to be doing a PR unboxing. I already unboxed them because that was a lot of boxes. But before I jump right to it, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos, which I do them every week. So definitely check out my past videos as well. Alright, so this video is by no means bragging or anything like that. I do see a lot of people that like PR unboxing, so this is my very first time doing this on my channel, and I'm just gonna show you a bunch of different stuff in here from the past few months until now. So these are just the things that I got, and I just wanted to add that I am really grateful to you guys, especially that you guys are interacting with me, you like my videos, you comment on my videos, so I really appreciate you guys. And I am going to be doing a giveaway very soon, so definitely stick around for that. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should follow me there too, because I do a lot of tutorials there as well. Alright, so the first products that I got were from Pixi. You've probably seen the huge PR box from Pixi, and I got that too, and I never thought that I was ever going to get it, so I was so grateful for Pixi. So I got their Pixi and Whaley collaboration palette. I did get the Pixi and Chloe Morello palette, and I got the lip icing from Chloe Morello as well, and also the Dulce Candy highlighter and lip palette. So I got all of these, and so I did review these already, so I'm going to put the link down in the description box so you guys can see my full thoughts on these palettes. Check that review out. Alright, so the next one were from Seraphine Botanicals, and I am so happy that I got these. These are the new collection that they have. It's Chia Camellia eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like. It looks really nice and perfect for every day. So I really love the consistency of these palettes. They do have a little bit of fallout in them, but for the most part, they're amazing. I also did get some brushes from them, which I did use these already, so they're actually really good. The only thing that I'm going to say is this Buff and Blend brush, it's not really as great to apply your foundation. So if you have like a lighter consistency foundation, like maybe something like this, the Buxom Weightless Foundation, that will be okay. But for like a heavy consistency foundation, this would not be something that I would recommend. But these two are amazing. This one is the blush and highlight, and also the contour brush. I also got the Rhubarb and Rose Creamy Lip and Cheek palette. So I like this a lot. I know that I did say that I didn't like anything creamy palette as far as the lip goes, but these you can actually use as a blush. So I really enjoy using these as blushes, and they're very creamy, great consistency, so I love these. And they also send me the Luminude Skin Illuminator. So this is what it looks like. So it comes in this nice little tube. You squeeze it out, and it's a cream highlighter, which also I do love. I do mix this with a foundation. It's better that way because this is a little bit dark on my skin tone. But that's what I got. And I also got a lip scrub, but I can't find it anywhere. But so yeah, I mean, thank you so much, Seraphine Botanicals. I really love these and I appreciate it. So I love you guys. Thank you. So next palettes in here are from Hush, and I just grabbed a few of them. They gave me 7 palettes. I do have 5 of the 7 palettes in here, but this is what it looks like. So I got the Retro Love. This is from Bad Habit, and this is supposed to be a dupe for the Anastasia, I don't remember what the name of it is, the one that people hate a lot. So I got that one. I got the Amazonian from Face Candy. This is what it looks like. So this one looks really nice as well. It's super colorful, and it has some pop of colors in there as well. And I got the Sahara palette also from Face Candy, and this one I'm very intrigued. I did swatch these in my recent video, so you guys can check that out as well. I will put the link down in the description box so you guys can see my full thoughts on this. I did an unboxing video for you guys. So this one is the Unicorn Glow Highlighter. This one I do love. I did use this the other day and people were complimenting me, so this is great. And this one is the Mermaid Glow. So this is what it looks like. So I love all of these, so thank you so much, Hush. And I am going to continue wearing these. And then the next ones that I got in here are from Grande Lips. I love their products. So I've never tried anything from Grande Cosmetics that I didn't like. I love their lash serum. I do love their mascara, and I also do love their mascara primer. So this is going to be really awesome, I think. This one is a Hydra Plump liquid lipsticks. They are semi-matte, so I haven't really tried any of these yet, but I'm super excited to try these out. So thank you, Grande Cosmetics. So the Balm also sent me a few of their items, and this is the Neat Matte Schmacker or Schmaker. But this is what it looks like. Inside you get 6 duo eyeshadows in here, and I do love them. This is actually what I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing this color right here on the inner part of my eyes, and I'm using Lisa Campbell, or yeah, Lisa Campbell right here outside of my crease area, and I did a bunch of different ones in here. So I am going to do a video tutorial on my Instagram, so follow me there as well so you can see how I got this look. Also, they did send me this liner here. This is a liquid liner. It finishes as a matte liner, which I really do love. So I enjoyed using this. So that's what I'm also wearing there. It looks really cool. They also sent me the Bonnie Luminizer. So this is what it looks like. Their packaging is just to die for, guys. So this is what it looks like. Love it. So that is what the pigmentation is in there. This I thought was going to appear really dark on my skin tone, but I kind of made it work where it now looks a little bit more of a bronze, a nice bronzy glow rather than a highlight. So I really like that, and I enjoy using it. So thank you, the Balm. Alright, so the next products that I got were from Vital Proteins. So they did send me the collagen peptides powder. This is what it looks like. So I'm so excited to try this, guys. So collagen is supposed to be really good for you, and as you guys know, when you get older, your collagen declines, so you kind of need some extra oomph in there. So I'm so excited to try this out. And they also sent me the collagen creamer, and this one is made with coconut milk. I did try this with my matcha tea earlier today, and oh my gosh, it tastes so good, and I just love it. And while I was drinking this, it kind of actually made my lips a little bit plump. I don't know if it's because of the collagen or what, but it made my lips a little bit plump for some reason. So I do like it. So thank you, Vital Proteins. Alright guys, so the last product in here are from Marc Anthony, and shout out to Lauren for sending these. These are so amazing. So this is the Coconut Repair and Hydrating Shampoo, and she also included Grow Long Shampoo. And the last one here is Strictly Curls Curl Defining Lotion. So this one I'm probably going to include in an upcoming giveaway, so watch out for that. Alright guys, so that is all of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please let me know if you do in the comment section, and I will try to do more of these as I get them, and I'll collect them for you guys, and then I'll do like a one big unboxing for you. Alright guys, I will see you in my next one. I love you all. Please stay in touch, and also subscribe and follow me on IG. I love you.